Welcome to Bass and Bonsai, Topwater edition. Yep, this is how we do it. Mwah. All right, let's see if this one's gonna jump. What do you think? Oh yeah, this is a jumper. I can feel it. First along the bank here. Get out there and jump. Come on. Yeah, woo! Watch out for that tree. Okay, I know this isn't the first time you've heard this, but guess what? We on fire! Bam! Let's go. Hello everybody. Welcome to Bass and Bonsai. That's how you do it. Mwah. Exactly how we do it. There we go, first. That is a good one too. First bass. I don't know where he went. There he is. Stay back. That is a nice bass, boys and girls. You done jumping? I'm worn out. Jeez, get up here. Here we go. That is a lanky looking bass. New Whopper Plopper. Welcome to Bass and Bonsai, Topwater edition. Guess what, boys and girls? It's gonna be a good one. Mwah! That is a lanky bass, so that is a long sucker, but probably only about 1.5 pounds, 1.75 pounds. Hopefully you can see well enough. It's early morning. We just now got out on the water, so buckle up and hang on. Let's do it. All right, try to get you around to what light there is. The sun is coming up and over those treetops. And we got to get on these big largemouth bass. Got that new Whopper Plopper and it is working. Let's see if this sucker will jump. Come on, boy or girl, whatever you are. Come on. Nope. Tell you the plan real quick. In case I catch one here. We're gonna hit this big side with this white Whopper Plopper I just picked up, just so we can cover the area fast. Then we're gonna go hit the shallow side. And if, I mean, there's a few spots that look good, I may throw the, right here's where I hit. May throw the popper, but we got these long banks where you're, whether it be a buzz bait or Whopper Plopper, oh, like that. Whoa, that dude decided to start fighting. And he's about in the same spot. That is just as big a bass, a touch bigger actually. That is a 2-pounder easily. I'm gonna end up breaking one of these off. Look at that. This is a 661 Kuying Teton. That is easily a 2-pound bass. Wow, that is a nice bass. It's a lot bigger than the one we just had. These are hard to grab. See when they're like that? I know you want. All right, there we go. Look at that big. Oh, I knew he was going to do that. I'm glad he didn't do it while I had that still hooked up. Beautiful largemouth bass. That's an easy 2-pounder. I'm not going to set and take time to weigh him. This is how we do it. Mwah! All right, let's see if this one's going to jump. What do you think? Oh yeah, this is a jumper. I can feel it. First along the bank here. Get out there and jump. Come on. Yeah, woo! Watch out for that tree. Okay. I know this isn't the first time you've heard this, but guess what? We on fire! Bam! Let's go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that is a little dude. No. Little guy. Those are the ones you got to be careful of, though. Hold still. Little dude. Little bitty baby, but I think he may be a jumper. I think we got a jumper. Oh! Yep! Did you guys see that? It's like a little double jump. Pretty cool. A little bit, I tried to let him get away from it. He insisted, so you wanted it, I'll let you have it. I didn't set the hook when the first time he hit it, but that second time he just kind of got himself hooked up. Beautiful largemouth bass, and he's a jumper for sure. If I can. Oh, oh, that was beautiful. That sucker hit it. He was right there in that grass. That's a good bass too. I thought he was smaller. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh, and he come off. I knew that was going to happen. He was barely hooked. We made it a little ways down the bank. Now we missed a few little ones were tapping at it, and I didn't mess with trying to get them. So it wasn't completely dead water, but made it almost all the way through the dam. On each end seems to have a fish or two. Like that right there. As soon as you get to the end of the dam, is where the fish seem to be. Come on. Come on, you dog. Jump. Jump and get yourself off. Nope. Alright, get in here. Let's get you off. Ah! Beautiful bass. He needs a jumper, and he about tore my thumb off. There we go. That's a better bass. I thought it was better. It just hit hard. He's a little more excited over here on the windy side. He'd probably get himself off. Get yourself off. No, maybe not. There we go. Nice bass. Keep going. There we go. Oh! Dang it. Well. Oh, that's a bigger bass. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Hopefully he stays on. Oh, stay on. Stay back here. He's coming right at us. Oh! That is a nice 2-pounder again, I think. Beautiful largemouth bass. This little area, I knew it as soon as we got over here. We caught one, missed one, and we got this one right now all within like a 10-foot area. Get in here, you beautiful beast. Oh, you big dog. It may only be 2-pounders, but man, these suckers are fun, especially on BFS gear. Let me figure out how to get him unhooked. There we go. That was easy. Woo! Look at that beautiful. I got a bug on me. Look at that beautiful fish, boys and girls. There's maybe not quite too close. Mwah. Let's see if it'll jump. It's coming in hot, going out hot. Come on. Oh no! Slipped right out of my hand. Woo! Still on fire. Let's go. I don't even think it's 7 a.m. yet. Got clouds. wind. Whopper Plopper. Oh yeah, we're on it. We are on it, boys and girls. And we got another one that quick. Very next cast, they are stacking up over here. That, wow, that sucker, oh my God. That sucker jumped like freaking, I don't know. Oh my goodness. We're on fire, like I said. Come on, Whopper Plopper. You ain't gonna catch nothing in the boat. These vicious fish already got this Whopper Plopper scared. It jumped back in the boat. Oh, got it. I just slowed it down. That's a nice bass. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh my God, that is like a nice bass. That sucker barely hit at it. And so I barely set the hook when I slowed it down. Look at how I have him hooked. That is funny. That's a nice fish. I don't want to try to hurt him by yanking him up, so I'm going to try to reach down. Oh! Splashed me right in the, right in the face. This fish has been caught before. Come here. Ah. Can you guys make out how wet my face is? That fish got me right in the face. It was barely hooked in the gill. That is a lanky bass, but a beautiful. I'm as wet as the fish is. I always say, let's get her wet. I got myself wet. Let's see if this one will jump. Come on. Get it, get it! You dud. That was like a fireworks that was a dud. It was like, no. Okay. Let's go. They're trying to put my fire out. I know there's one over here, boys and girls. I told you. I knew it. Wow, I thought you were going to be bigger. You hit hard, though. That was a good smack. I think you were trying to eat it. Nice bass. And he's a jumper. All right, you guys ready for a bomb? Throw the old long ball at him. Right there. This drag is too loose. Plain and simple. Oh, that's a nice bass. Over there. Jump for the boys and girls. Folks at home, want to see you jump. Jump off. All right, get over here. That is a good bass. A little lanky. Oh, stop jumping now. All right, now stop. That is a skinny bass, but could be a jumper. Could be a jumper. Needs to put on some weight. I wish I had some protein minnows for you guys. Come get out there and jump. Nope. Okay guys, I'm putting an end to this video and I'm not going to do a last cast, none of that stuff. This is what we caught them all on. My new Whopper Plopper, that is the 70. That thing is working awesome. First true outing with it, and it definitely works. The Metanium MGL from Shimano with the KTF parts. That's a shallow KTF spool, a few other parts, hedgehog parts. That's an awesome reel. This is a Kuying Teton 661, means it's 6'6". That's how long it is. It's a one piece. I think it's the only, maybe the only Kuying rod you can get. It's the only Kuying Teton, as far as I know, that is a one-piece rod. I've added the handle, but anyway. So I'm putting these in different parts. You guys like short videos, I'm finding out. So This is going to be the deep side, and then look for the topwater shallow side. That's what happened during the whole period I was here this morning. Look for those videos. Then I'm also going to put together just an overall for the day video. I'm going to try out my rattle traps in here today that I just picked up. So anyway, the sun is just starting to pop out. I'll try to spin you around, let you guys see that shot. See, the sun would already be out, but thankfully it's clouds like everywhere. There's a chance of rain. It's going to let me come over to this side, fish the shallow side, hopefully on topwater, and catch quite a few more fish. So thank you very much for watching. Get out of here and go bass bonsai for yourself. I got work to do. Oh yeah, share this channel with anybody and everybody, but really. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Yeah! Woo! The taste of success. But really.